What's up, y'all? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be talking about Coinbase in this video and how you can find your crypto or Coinbase wallet. It is going to depend on what crypto you're looking to receive money from. Start off by opening the Coinbase app up and then click on transfer. Once here, you'll see a few options. You want to click on receive crypto. Once here, decide what crypto you would like to receive money from. I'm going to use Ethereum for this example. Next, you want to select the network that you want to use to receive your crypto from. Different networks have different times and also different fees, so you can analyze that on your own time. I'm going to select Ethereum for this example. From here, you can see the crypto wallet. All I need to do is copy this address or scan this QR code. From there, I just put this in the to section from wherever I'm sending Ethereum from, send the crypto, and then wait the allotted time for the money to appear in my Coinbase account. In this case, the Ethereum network will take about 3 minutes. That does it for this video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Coinbase playlist where I've made other tutorials on how to navigate the app. And of course, if you haven't signed up for Coinbase and you have an interest in doing so, you can do so using the link in the description or in the pinned comment. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Like the video if you found value in it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Now get out there and take control of your financial destiny.